Come test drive the 2019 A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, autonomous braking, rear view camera. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.